Hey guys, my name is Jonas and I'm the GermanCarDude. In today's video, I'm gonna drive this 2016 Opel Adam on the German Autobahn and try to reach its top speed. Own a cool car you want me to drive and make a video about? If so, then please mail me at info@germancardude.com. If you like my content, please consider subscribing. The more people subscribe, the cooler the cars will get. So, let's get right into it now. This Opel Adam comes with a 1.4 liter naturally aspirated inline 4-cylinder engine, delivering 100 horsepower and 130 Newton meters of torque. While this may not sound like a lot, and it really isn't, also consider its weight, coming in at just 1.1 tons, or 2,400 pounds if you rather like your measurements to make no sense. This car is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission. I normally don't really like Opel transmissions because they're always quite clunky. However, in this car, it's actually quite good. This car's chassis has also been lowered, which is why it's quite hard. I couldn't have picked a better day for this. This is the first time in the year where it's actually quite warm. As you can hear, this engine produces a nice sound for its size. This is because it has a custom exhaust on it. Now I will drop some gears and try to reach its max speed as fast as possible. This is full throttle, I swear. Jokes aside now, while this is of course not fast, Don't forget that this is a small fun car meant primarily for the city. The fact that it drives so stable on the Autobahn at such a high speed is a really good thing. I will now leave the Autobahn again to hear a nice low gear acceleration. It's really nice to see that the Opel Adam reaches nearly 200 kilometers per hour. I guess if I could have held it a little longer, it would have made it. So I guess this is it then. Please consider subscribing if you've made it this far. And also check out my Instagram channel. My name there is GermanCarDude YT. I post short style videos there, but also some additional photos of the cars I film. Alright, see you later guys, bye bye.